Turning off the camera in a Zoom meeting may seem quite basic to some, but in this day and age, as many of us are working remotely more so than ever, some are still learning the fundamentals. And so in this video, I'm going to show you just how and why you might want to turn off your camera during a Zoom meeting. Stay tuned. In a Zoom meeting, sometimes there are reasons to turn off your camera. One of the more common ones I see is a poor internet connection, and turning off your video, which eats up a lot of bandwidth, can be the difference sometimes between your staying on the meeting or dropping off altogether. Maybe you're just not camera ready, and that is a common occurrence as well. So Zoom fortunately makes it very easy to turn off your video. It's just down at the bottom of your screen where it says stop video. If you click on that, what appears is what you have loaded as your profile picture. So you can see mine here. If you don't have a profile picture uploaded, you'll see either a blank avatar or in some cases you may see your typed name on the screen. If I just click Start Video again, my camera comes back on and I've reappeared in the meeting. Now, there are ways to make sure that your camera is off even before you enter a meeting. I'll show you how to do that. I have my Zoom desktop app opened and I'm just going to open the settings. And the first is General Settings. The second option on this left-hand menu is Video Settings. I'm just going to click on that, and in this section I am going to scroll down a little bit, and you can see here that there is an option to turn off my video when joining a meeting. And I have this box checked at the moment, which means anytime I join a Zoom meeting, my camera will be automatically turned off by default, so I won't appear on screen immediately. Of course, if I uncheck that box, well, now my camera will automatically be turned on every time I join a meeting. And I would want to be mindful that I will automatically appear on screen. It's as simple as that. And then once you're in the meeting, of course, you can then toggle your camera on and off with that switch at the bottom of the screen during your meeting. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I have some other videos on the fundamentals of Zoom, as well as other video for business topics. I hope to see you again soon.